find us again on the All 4 Mississippi Thunder channel. We got another great video coming up for you here at the Rock House Gun and Pawn. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for tuning back into All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Any previous viewers and subscribers, we surely appreciate y'all. Now, any new viewers or viewers that have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything that happens over here on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Give us a thumbs up because we always appreciate that. Ring that bell for notifications and share this video with your friends, neighbors, and their friends, and whoever you can think to share it with. Today, we've got a great video coming for you from Rock House Gun and Pawn, and that is at 5430 Highway 19 North, Meridian, Mississippi 39307. Phone number is 601-485-5895, and I will put that number in the video several times for you to see that. And they are a fully licensed FFL dealer following all federal, state, and local laws. I'm not selling any firearms in this video, but if you see something that you like, feel free to call the Rock House Gun and Pawn or stop by if you're local. If you call, they'll get you set up to send to your local FFL. But make sure, and also if you anything else you think of that you think they might have that you don't see in the video, go ahead and stop by and give them a call. But tell them that R4 Mississippi Thunder sent you. We are back with another awesome video here at the Rock House. Today we're looking at the Keltec P17. It's a 22 LR. It has 16 in the magazine plus 1 in the chamber. That's hence the P17. It holds 17 rounds altogether if you have 1 chamber. Like I said, it's 22 LR. It weighs about 14 ounces loaded. That's what 16 in the magazine and 1 in the chamber. So it's a polymer frame. Polymer frame here. The slide's a little bit different design. The slide is metal and the barrel is metal. But if you notice, the slide is totally different than most slides you'll see. The way it's just the top. This is polymer here, polymer frame, and actually polymer here. This is not considered a slide here because it does not move. The barrel is fixed. The slide metal and it moves, and then you have your, your little firing pin and all that jazz right there. Oh, also while I'm here, let me see the way I put that fixed barrel. If you notice right here, see that line in between the barrel and this little dude right here? Can you get a good shot of that?
I think so.
That line right there. It comes with a tool. You can pull this off, and basically that's the thread protector. And they have a little extension that comes with the firearm that you can screw back on here, and you have a threaded barrel 22 LR. Has the Picatinny rail here. Has ambidextrous safety on both. Ambidextrous there. Easy to manipulate with your thumb if you're into the firing position, and you can manipulate with your thumb real easy. I've seen some complaints. I don't really see a problem with it. Here is it's got a ambidextrous mag release, but it's not a button, it's a little lever, so you can move forward there. Let me show you this. You can move forward there with your thumb. You can drop it. Some people say they drop it with their firing finger. Now, I also have noticed that it's easy to drop with my middle finger on that side. So that's something pretty cool. Has a fiber optic front sight, adjustable rear sight. Let's see if you can see that there. Get your sight picture there. Okay. It's a hammer-fired firearm, but when you have the slide, rack to back, it activates the hammer. And if you can see right in that little hole, there is a red marking of some sort, and that's on the back of the hammer, let you know that the hammer is into the firing position. So So it's already, cocked back, ready to go. I'm going to show you this slide real quick. It has, to me, the very resemblance of a Glock takedown here. But it's totally different from a Glock, but the takedown levers are in the same location. So what you do is you hold those down, pull this all the way back, slide it forward, and there is your slide. You have your extractor there. You have your firing pin here, and this is all metal again. The barrel is metal. It has kind of a captured type spring with the on that little bushing there on the front. Got your slide rails and all. Take a good look at that. Now we'll put it back together. It's just as easy as putting it over the front here, holding these down, putting it over the front, slide it all the way back, and it's back in business. And here's your slide lock right here. Along with the hammer indicator, it also has another indicator. And I don't know if you can see in that hole right there, there's a little piece of plastic right here, right there. And when you have a full magazine, that piece of plastic protrudes through that hole right there. So you know you have a full magazine, kind of a full magazine indicator, if you will. And as you start to, fire them out, then that will retract back over there. So you do have the ability to see if you have a full magazine just by grabbing a magazine and it's got that little bump sticking out the bottom. All right, let me tell you a few things here. I did say it weighed 14 ounces loaded. It weighs 0.7 pounds, so just a little over half a pound unloaded. Overall length of 6.7 inches. With a barrel length, the barrel itself is 3.8 inches, and it's 5.3 inches high with a width of 1.2 inches. Okay, I'm going to show you this trigger pull again. We are unloaded. Let me go ahead and just pop that. Well, it might have a magazine disconnect. I'm not sure. Let's try that and see. There's the trigger pull.
Oh, okay.
Nice crisp trigger. They say the wall is pretty small, but let's try it again. Really smooth trigger. Really, slightly audible reset. You can kind of hear it there. Okay, one more thing I wanted to mention. This is a two-piece polymer frame. See the line? You can see the line going up through there. The line continues through the trigger guard, up through the handle, and it is screwed together with all these screws. So looks like it's going to hold together pretty good. Well, that almost concludes our tabletop review of the Keltec P17. I wanted to mention, like I said earlier, 16 round magazine. You get 3 of them with your pistol. So not only are you getting the 1 magazine or 2, but 3 magazines to go with your pistol. So that's pretty cool, and they're all 16 round magazines. Hope you enjoyed the little review tabletop of this, and we want you to come back and see us in all 4 Mississippi Thunder. Don't forget to subscribe. That is free. Hit the like and hit the bell for notifications. Come back to see us again. Remember, for I have learned to be content in every situation. That comes from Philippians 4:11. God bless you, and God bless America.